In 2005, Advantax introduced the PropTax Cycle, and since that time it has become an industry model of best practices for managing property taxes. The PropTax Cycle separates activities into 5 steps: data preparation, compliance processing, assessment management, payment processing, and analysis and planning. It is a continuous process and coincides with how jurisdictions administer property taxes. Many organizations, including the Advantax team, have found the PropTax Cycle to be a very useful tool for managing property taxes. Data preparation, the first step of the process, is focused on gathering all of the data needed to accurately prepare property tax returns. You locate fixed asset data, inventory, supplies, vehicles, leased equipment, and other information required by the thousands of jurisdictions across the country. Each location is reviewed, and any changes are communicated to the local assessor. It is important to understand how data flows throughout the organization, where records are stored, and how to effectively use this information in the management of property taxes. The second step of the process is compliance processing. The first and most important task in this step is the creation of a thorough reporting calendar. It is imperative to have the latest up-to-date research to track return deadlines and find and apply appropriate factor tables. Property tax software provides this vital information and simplifies tasks like classifying assets, selecting the appropriate depreciation tables, and tracking the movement of assets. It is important to maintain effective compliance processes to meet deadlines and avoid becoming overwhelmed during property tax compliance season. During the assessment management step, organizations are challenged with tracking all of their properties throughout the assessment and appeals process. Assessed values are compared with your own opinion of value to identify tax savings opportunities. Tax professionals must understand and apply 3 approaches to value and identify key metrics that can be used to determine when their property's values are overassessed. Each level of appeal comes with its own costs, and it is important to recognize the different benefits of informal and formal appeals. The payment processing step is when the company starts to receive tax bills. It is important to establish a payment calendar and record payment information for audit and accrual purposes. It is key to identify missing tax bills and avoid late payment penalties. The payment process can be the most laborious and time-consuming part of the PropTax cycle. By using a property tax software, companies can save hundreds of hours each filing season. The final step of the PropTax cycle is analysis and planning. The property tax team needs to clearly understand the goals of the department and the makeup of the organization's property tax liability. It is the responsibility of the property tax team to provide management with concise and easy-to-understand reports that can be used to examine the annual property tax liability and future tax estimates. The PropTax cycle brings clarity to the property tax process. It is a useful tool for managing your property taxes. The PropTax cycle, just another way that Advantax is demystifying property taxes and helping organizations across the country. If you would like to learn more about Advantax and the services that we offer, please visit our website at www.advantax.com.